Say goodbye to cough and cold with these simple home remedies. Salt gargle. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt in warm water or lemon water and gargle. It is perfect for soothing a sore throat and fight infections. Ginger turmeric milk. Boil milk with ginger, add a pinch of turmeric and sip it before bed. It helps clear phlegm and soothes your throat. Lemon, cinnamon and honey mix. This powerful trio works wonders to kick that cough and cold. Spice tea. Add tulsi, ginger, clove, cinnamon and black pepper for a strong defense against those cold symptoms. Raisin remedy. Mix raisins called munakka with a pinch of black salt for instant relief from dry cough. Give these remedies a try and feel better naturally.